Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Coach Z, and in this channel, I share Upwork tips, virtual assistant tutorials, and everything freelancing. So, if this sounds so good to you, please hit that subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop an episode. And in today's video, I'll share with you examples of cover letters for Upwork to help you get started or maybe give you some ideas on how to craft your cover letter for Upwork. So if you're excited to dig in, go smash that like button and let's get started. So I'm sharing with you the not so typical cover letters where you go directly to the point, you go directly to the results or transformation or like basically what you can help the client with, right? So here we go. The first cover letter is for those of you who have been doing social media management for a while. So this is just an example, right? You can tweak this one, or you maybe can, you can have your own version, but just to give you an idea of what effective cover letters are. But this is just based on my experience, guys. All right. I've been sending, I can no longer count how many Upwork proposals I've sent, but basically, this style of cover letter is what has worked for me. All right. So this one for social media managers. So, for example, hey, client name for let's say 5 months, I have been helping entrepreneurs manage their social media accounts through different strategies. Let me break them down for you. One, content creation. I write engaging captions and create social media designs that are consistent with the client's brand. Through intentional and strategic content, I can help you attract quality followers in a short span of time. And to make this work, I'll send a branding questionnaire to know you, your audience, and your brand better. Two, for hashtags, I follow blank strategy where I look for targeted and relevant hashtags for each post. With this strategy, I've helped my clients grow their reach and audience to 200% in a couple of months. So you can change this one as well. Three, engagement. I'll start conversations with your target audience by leaving genuine comments in their posts and stories. This strategy has helped my clients 3x their account engagement. All these three are important factors in social media and would be happy to give a hand so you can focus on nurturing your clients. If you don't mind me asking, how many followers do you have at the moment and what are your goals specifically? PS, I usually have a month's content a week or a month in advance to give time for tweaks and changes. Let's hop on a call and get started. So your name. So as you can see, it's more about already telling the client what you do to help your clients, right? You're already telling them the system that you follow, the process that you have, and this tells the client that you know what you do. You already know what you do. So you're being very direct and you are already able to share how you do your work. All right. So this is one of the cover letter samples that I have for you today. So I don't mind if you like copy this one or tweak it or have this as your inspiration when you write your cover letter if you are a social media manager. All right. So as I have been saying, even in my previous videos about cover letters, clients would want to know what's in it for them. So tell them what's in it for them. All right. Don't say so much about yourself that are not relevant to the project post or not really helpful at all. So that's the first cover letter example. All right. So the next cover letter example is ideal for those of you who would like to push through with the bidding despite not meeting all qualifications, right? If you've been on Upwork for a while, you would know that there are projects specifying some qualifications, right? You need to have, conversational English, or maybe you're located in some place in the world, or you already have this reviews and all those stuff. So there are specific qualifications, right? But you want to still send a proposal, even if you do not meet all qualifications. All right. So here you go. So nice to meet you, the name of the client. You might be thinking, why in the world this did this girl apply when she doesn't meet all the qualifications? Well, here's my answer to that. I feel like I got this. First, I've been, so you share what you have been doing relevant to the job post or job project. Sorry, relevant to the project. And I know this might help you achieve a specific result or goal. Second, I can help you with blank, the other skills you have that you know will make the project successful. Third, the qualities that you have that you know are important in a work environment. I look forward to hearing from you soon or maybe today. So as you can see, the cover letter examples that I'm showing to you right now are not the typical cover letters or the typical application letters that we send when we apply for a corporate job, right? They are more casual because these clients would want to have more of a conversational type of cover letter, like, the not so stiff type of cover letter. They want to see your personality. They want to, like, they want you to write your cover letters the way you talk, the way you speak, right? So that's why most of these cover letters are not the typical ones that you would see, right? So there you go. The good thing about this cover letter is that even if you don't meet the qualifications, but you're already telling the client what you've been doing, what skills you have, and what qualities you have that you know that you are very firm that could help the project become more successful, right? So basically, it's all about confidence in yourself. Even if you don't meet the qualifications, if you know that you can do the work, that you can deliver results, then go ahead. Send a cover letter that tells the client just that. So this next one is ideal for those of you who'd like to apply as an email virtual assistant or in the customer support. So hey, let's say say the name of the client, write the name of the client, sorry. I would be more than happy to work with you and your team. Being able to work with service based companies for just mention how many months or years, I can say I love talking to people. Being sales oriented and having the love for customer service, it wouldn't be a challenge to connect with potential collaborators and partnerships and share with them the vision of your business. I can tell a lot about myself and sell my skills to you, name, but the only way for you to find out how I really work is to test me out. As the old saying goes, to see is to believe. Can't wait to speak with you. So this is really sweet, short, and direct type of cover letter. If there's nothing else that you can really say, just say what's enough. Okay, this is what the cover letter is this cover letter is all about, right? You don't have to send long, flowery cover letter if it's not relevant, it doesn't make sense, right? So just share what you think could help the project, that could help the client achieve his or her business goals. So in this cover letter, you're already telling the client that you've been in the service-based companies for a while, and with that, you are you are not scared of people. You love talking to people, and that's one quality that's so important when it comes to customer support, right? And also, you're kind of like challenging the client that you've got a lot of things to tell the client, but it all boils down to hiring you to see what you can really do. So I've already tried this cover letter too, and somehow it worked for some of the projects that I sent the proposals to. All right. For the last cover letter example, this is more of a generic template, regardless of what the project is all about, like regardless of the nature or the industry. Hey, felt like you were talking directly to me when I was reading the job post. I can surely provide you with share the expected output or results. If you'd ask my previous clients, they'd most likely tell you I helped them enumerate what you've contributed and the results you brought to previous clients, enumerate them in bullet form. I'd be happy to bring the same results to you. Talk soon. So this is also super brief, but you're already telling the client what you help your previous clients, and that you can do the same for this client or for the project, right? So this is more brief, direct, and like just telling the client basically what you can do. All right. So you can make your cover letter stand out even more if you turn this cover letter examples that I've shown to you, turn them into a video cover or an audio cover. So just don't stick to one type of cover letter or style of cover letter. Just don't stick to one generic cover letter. Be creative with it. Don't get scared to try new things, right? The more creative you are, the more chances of getting the attention of the client. So when you write a cover letter, always make sure to address the pain points, share results or timeline, and be direct as possible. That's it. All right. You don't have to create long, flowery cover letter that doesn't make sense. Just go directly, address the pain points, share results if you have, and be direct as possible. And always add a call to action like talk to you soon, book a call, send me a message, or yeah, let's discuss more. So those are call to actions. As also, these are some phrases to avoid as they connote lack of confidence and competence. I think I can. Maybe I can. I'll try my best. So best to say I'll do my best, or I always do my best, instead of saying I'll try my best, right? I suppose I can. I believe I can. I'm quite sure. I'm quite good. I can. Quite sounds not sure, right? So as much as possible, avoid these phrases because it makes you less confident when sending a cover letter. It tells the client that you're not sure if you can really do the work, right? If you say I think I can grow your account, so you only think you can, right? So these are some phrases to avoid when you write your cover letter, and hope you'll keep this in mind. All right, so that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you found value from this episode. And I hope that you can get your first or second or third project on Upwork using any of the cover letters that I shared. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next episode. Bye.